What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp link to your Instagram account. Right now, once you're inside Instagram guys, you want to go ahead and click your profile on the lower right hand side. Then you want to go ahead and click on edit profile below there, right under your bio, and then you want to go ahead and click on links. Now once you click on link guys, you want to go ahead and click the plus to add an external link. Now, once you do that, you have the option here to add the link. Now, you're not able to copy and paste your WhatsApp link, so you have to type that in manually, right? So, in order to do so, click in the area where you have the URL and you want to type wa.me and you want to go ahead and type /. Now, you want to go ahead and enter your phone number along with the country code. Now, you don't need to use the plus symbol because that will not work. So, enter your country code along with your phone number without the plus sign. Let me go ahead and show you an example. Now, I'll be blurring out a portion of my number for the purpose of security. Now, once you do that, you can either type a title here or you can just leave it blank and click the blue check mark on the uppermost right hand side. Now, once you're back on Instagram homepage, guys, you want to click on your profile. And if you have multiple links, you want to click show more. Otherwise, you will be able to see the number there. But because I have multiple links, I have to click on more to see that. Now, you'll be able to see the phone number in the list there. Now, all I have to do is just simply click on that link there and it will open up this page here that shows that you can continue to chat on WhatsApp. Now, all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on continue to chat on WhatsApp. Then click continue. And this will open up that phone number within WhatsApp so that you can chat. And as you can see, it opens up WhatsApp so that you can continue to chat on WhatsApp. So very easy stuff, guys. Very easy and very simple. Or you can easily add a WhatsApp link to Instagram so that you can chat or connect directly from Instagram to WhatsApp. Very easy and very simple.